Hockey Town and Red Wing fans, and welcome to today's edition of Comerica Bank Game Day Preview. The Detroit Red Wings face off against the Winnipeg Jets here at the Joe Louis Arena. Now this is the second meeting between these two clubs. The Jets beat the Red Wings last Monday night by a score of 4-2 in Winnipeg. The Red Wings have a 9-5-4 record so far this season. They lost on Saturday night to the Tampa Bay Lightning in overtime. Henrik Zetterberg continues to lead the team in scoring with 20 points. Now the Jets, they have an 8-9-2 record. Brian Little leads their team in scoring with 17 points. After practice today, we caught up with some of your Red Wings to talk about tonight's game.
Weiss wins another one. Back to DeKaiser, scores! Danny DeKaiser gets his goal!
Danny, you scored your first National Hockey League goal. It was a shorthanded goal against the Winnipeg Jets. What did that mean to you?
Oh, I mean, it was, it felt great. Obviously, anytime you get your first one, it's pretty special. It was, one I'll never forget. So just wish we could won that game, but, it wasn't meant to be that night.
Second time in a week that you're facing off against the Winnipeg Jets. Last time out, it seemed like they were trying to beat you to the outside. They had a lot of speed, 47 shots on goal. How do you stop this team? Yeah,
well, like you said, they do have a lot of speed, and they really shoot the puck from anywhere on the ice. So it's just one of those things you have to be ready for. What we'll try to do is just kind of keep them to the outside and hopefully get enough pressure on them, in the neutral zone where they have to dump the puck in, and then it's up to us to win the race back and break the puck out. So that's what we'll try to do tonight. And then, as far as them getting a lot of shots, like I said, they shoot from everywhere, so you just have to be aware, bounce off your skate and that kind of thing. So just always ready.
Winnipeg skates well. They have two groups. I don't know which is their one line and which is their two line, or 1A and 1B or whatever. But, I like their top two groups are playing well. And so we need two groups to play against them. I've really felt over the last while, when we lost Weiss and then we lost Mule, that we've been, it's not as much on the road because you don't notice as much, but at home when you're supposed to match up and the other coach runs your bench because you don't have enough depth, you got a hard match. And so today we should be able to rotate a few people and make it easier for us to get what we want and what we need. No one who's a bigger fan of Dan Cleary than Mike Babcock. I imagine he's very pissed off today. And I don't know what you want me to do about it. Well, I mean, we were rolling right along till we got to the mighty Jets there, and they stomped us, and then we haven't recovered. But no, I thought we played a fairly good game against Dallas, and I thought we deserved better against Dallas, and I thought we were fortunate to get a point the other night against Tampa. But our game looks like we're a real team and looks like we know how to play, and then there's 30 seconds where we give up 3 chances in the second, and then there's 30 seconds where we give up 2 2-on-1s, in the third. And in the end, you can't play like that. It's a 60-minute game. You got to play with patience and take what's given. Lots of shifts in hockey are 50-50.
Fans, just a reminder, doors open at 6 p.m. Puck drop is at 7:30. Tonight is Military Appreciation Night. First 7,500 fans in attendance will receive this military-style Red Wings hat. The game will be broadcast live on Fox Sports Detroit, and you can also hear all the action on the radio on AM 1270. For Comerica Bank Game Day Preview, I'm Ken Kell. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the game.